Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming, including one about Farm Cat Pablo. Farm Cat Pablo was catnapped, and Farmer Mike tracked Pablo, tracked the thief, and got him back. Check out that episode. Check out that video on my YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. So, wrapping up for the day. Oh, what an awesome day. I always have a very long list of things to do. And we never get to them all, but we try to. And so that's what today was all about, and got some really cool stuff done today. Primarily, let's go back here, and it's really dark, but back there you can see our tricked out chicken coop, the pampered hens back there, and that coop is actually metal, and it's all off grid. It's all off grid. So Farmer Mike, why would you do that? Why wouldn't you just run power to it and just be done with it? Well, eventually the power will go out, okay? And so we want sustainable systems. And today, actually, I installed a ventilation system that runs on solar back there, and so it's still, you can see it's still got the lights are still on, and they're Oprah Hensey and Earl, they're up in there kicking it. They're in there partying, having a great time, eating that 18% protein. Don't forget to get your eggs from Ophelia's. We'll be open on Saturday. Get them picked up, delivered through DoorDash. 10 miles in the city, basically anywhere in the metro they'll deliver it to you. So you don't even have to drive on down here. Of course you can. We'll be here till 10 to 2 on Saturday. But sustainable systems, off-grid systems, that's what we want. We want to be prepared, because it's not a matter of when the power will go out. It's just a matter of when. So that's a completely off-grid system. And I was going through it the other day, and I smelt high levels of ammonia. And so what we have is a deep litter system in there, and we have the nitrogen from the chicken droppings, and we have the carbon from pine shavings. And because it's in metal, the ventilation wasn't great in there, and just the number of hens, we needed to get in there and to put some exhaust fans in there. So that's working pretty good. It's running off solar. Know a little bit more tomorrow, but finally got that installed. Finally got that off my list. Check, Farmer Mike. So tomorrow we'll be working on installing another off-grid system, an off-grid hot water system. So that's tomorrow's project, and got to charge up the tools. Oh yeah! And this light actually came in handy, because I dropped a couple of screws. Dropped a couple of screws actually inside the coop. But so happy I got that off my list. Still got to get out here and string up these. Still gotta finish trellising as you can see, the grapevines. Got to get the ladder out today. Missed that. This one's looking good. All that's weeded. I'll have to we'll have to tie this up tomorrow. And our raised beds, I got some work to do down here, basically on the big raised beds. Now what happened was, as you can see, sometime after we've gone, someone came down here and they tried to steal these raised beds, but these are hundreds of pounds of dirt in here. And so just trying to drag them, basically, just trying to drag them away caused it to get unlocked. And so I'm going to have to take, hey, Pablo, I'm going to have to take all this soil, and this is actually a hugelkultur bed. So this is carbon, nitrogen, logs and stuff down here breaking down. So I'm going to take all this out, and we'll fix these. If there's any screws that needs to be screwed, I'll fix that. And I'll take this out, and I'm going to mix rabbit manure in here on all of these. I'll mix rabbit manure on these, and these we'll fill it, top it off with some more dirt, and these will be ready for the spring. So we'll get to that tomorrow, and that's what we have to do right here. But yeah, that's somebody thinking, oh, let's just drag it. They don't realize this weighs hundreds of pounds, and the same thing down here. And on this one, it actually got this one, I'm gonna have to put a screw. I'm gonna have to put another screw in here, some screws in here. On this one, same thing. You know, people trying to get over. But this is a hugelkultur system, and as this breaks down, as the wood breaks down, it gets better and better, and creates air pockets for the roof. This is a perennial bed, and so what I'm gonna do is here, I cut this back as much as I could, and as much as I wanted to. I usually do about 1 inch, and then I'm going to put the rabbit manure, and we'll top dress it. But first I'll take it all out, put it in a wheelbarrow, mix it, give it some nitrogen, put it back in there, and it's gonna be ready for the string. It's gonna jump. Might even throw a couple of extra perennial seeds in there, just to have them in the soil. So that's the recap for today. Farmer Mike live at Ophelia's Bovine Farm. That's our website right there. That's Grandmother Ophelia. She often worked very late until the street lights came on. And that's a sign that Farmer Mike needs to get out of here. I love it because we had some great weather, although it was a little bit foggy and it was drizzling. So I couldn't get the ladder out as quickly as I wanted today. But I guess the master class for today is little wins, little successes. It just takes a little bit at a time, a little bit every day. That's all it takes. So I hope this inspires you. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, spending time with your family, eating that good food, making plates and all that. And remember, we want you to end the year just as strong as you started it. And we'll bring in 2026. Is 2026? Yeah, we'll be in 2026 even harder. So I'm gonna get out of here. Pablo been trying to teach him to stay out the street, but he's a yali cat, and I had to get the switch out on him the other day. Pablo, go to bed. Pablo, don't go to bed. So hope you're having a great holiday season. Farmer Mike, leaving Ophelia's Bovine Farm. We'll do another live in the morning. Let me know. What do you think? Do you like our chicken videos? Let me know in the comment section down below. See you in the next video.